Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make end SMS game. I'm going to show you simple method to make this game. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge. You do not need any kind of skills and experience. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to make this game. You need to watch this full video without skipping. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on mobile roller platform. Guys, this is a great platform to create mobile apps for Android and iOS without coding. Here you can see this platform has got almost 5-star ratings. This is a trusted platform. You can click on get started button. You will then come to this page. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type your name, you can type your email address, you can type your password, and you will have to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on create your account button. You can also sign up with Google. I have already created an account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Now you can click on create new app button. You can type your app name, like I'm going to make your end SMS game. You can type your app name and then you can click on next button. You can select your templates. You can select any of this template. If you do not want to select template, then you can click on this button. Now click on OK button. Click here to open this app. Now I will have to add content. Guys, you can add all of this content in your app. You can add map, you can add YouTube Pro, you can add about section, you can add photo gallery in your app, you can add YouTube, you can add any of this content. Now you can go on Google and you can search your GitHub. You can visit on this website. Now you can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your email address, password. You can type your username. You can select here your country. At last you can click on continue button. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. After creating successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on this icon. Now you can click on new repository button. You can type your repository name. You can type your end. You can scroll down, click on create repository button. Now click on this button. You can paste your HTML for end SMS game. You can use ChatGPT platform to generate HTML code for end SMS game. Here is showing HTML code. You can click here to copy this HTML code. If you are unable to generate HTML code for end SMS game, then you can go on my website. You can check link in the description. You can click on this 3 line. You can scroll down. Here you can see HTML code for end SMS game. You can click here to open this page. You can scroll down. Here you can see HTML code for end SMS game. You need to copy this HTML code. You can copy this HTML code accurately. Now you can go on GitHub platform. You can paste here that HTML code. Now you will have to change title of this game. Here you can see title. You can type your anything. Funny end SMS game. Now you can type your index.html. Click on commit changes button. Click on commit changes button. Now click on settings button. Click on pages. You can select your main option. Now click on save button. After 1 minute you can reload this page. This platform will give you URL. Here you can see URL. You can click on visit site button. As you can see, end SMS game is working well. Here is showing URL. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on movie roller platform. Here you can see website option. You can click on add to app button. Type your title. You can scroll down. Paste your website URL. Now disable this option. Click on save button. Now click here. Click on dashboard. You can click on preview button. Click on tap to play button. You can click here. Here is showing preview of end SMS game. You can check your game. After completing it, you can click on build Android app button. You can click on this button. Click on next button. You can type your package name. Click on generate app button. Here you can see this platform is generating my application. It will take some time. Yeah, here we go. This application is ready to download. Click on download APK file button. Here you can see this application is downloading. Now I'm going to install this application in my Android device. You can see this game application is working well in my Android device. Similarly, you can make this kind of game application. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge. You can visit on my website to copy HTML code for this game. If you want to learn more about game development, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.